That coffee is way too strong. Oh my gosh. All right, good morning. Probably just going to focus on working today. Might not be too chatty. Let's see, what do I want to work on? Maybe I can't help myself and I'll just keep talking. So we could expand this. I think for now we're just going to roll for encounters. Actually, I don't feel like working on the cheesy right now. But maybe I'll finish up a little bit of the state management. Don't need that. Where am I? Yeah, here. We'll just do like match. I'm gonna use that. The target tile, tile, set, tile get name, and do target tile. So I'm just gonna use strings. Actually, that doesn't work if we're doing, well, no, I guess each one would be separate, so it would work. We're okay. So it's gonna be like grass, paths. I guess that would error out, so we don't really need that default. Baby, you okay? You're meowing. Maybe do like if and we'll just print like and either way we're gonna roll dice. So we're just kind of getting it done on paper, so to speak. So when I run out of tile movement, so when I move again, we're going to see a printout down here. Yeah, so we got enemies there and it re-rolls. It's going to be the same enemies. Okay, let's see. Yeah, oh man, bad luck. Enemies 4 in a row. This would be a pretty tough board if it was for real. And the thing with this is that it has a 50% chance, or not a 50%, but it does like another roll where it's Actually, maybe we do choose weighted. It's going to be kind of like we do like if 4, maybe 3, if item found. So here we would get the input for yes, no. And I have that in my text box already. I don't know if we have the buttons totally working, but so either way we roll dice. It's just if enemies, we go to a battle. Right? So something like that. I think we just need to save the state of this. No, when we go to battle and come back, we're not throwing this away. We're just taking it off the tree, so we don't have to save anything. So enemies, search ground, item found. Enemies, nothing found, item found, enemies. Okay, so that basic logic is working. But instead of automatically rolling, we want the player to do it. So it'll be like we have to wait for player input. We want that auto. And really, we don't do that. We need a menu. Should be focus on start. No, I don't start. Auto disable focus. I don't focus exit. What is that? Oh, that label. Excuse me. So think how they handle it in. Oh, they have like a little dice picture, which we can make real quick. Can I do it with 8x8? Oops. I think we will use frames for this. I might have to do it actually 7x7. If I want it to be centered, right? Because 3 and 3. And then new frame from that. How do dice work? Is it like this? Right. We can make our own dice rules. Yeah. Maybe this goes like that. See, dice can be whatever you want them to be, right? Like there's no, it's a game. We can do whatever the heck we want. I want to flip that one, but we can come back to that. So 6. Get out of there, baby. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Do that. We're doing what, 5 right now? So 6 will just be. Just copy this. That's just for posterity, make that one. Same. And yeah, we'll just call it dice. Oh, this will be fun to animate. Make sure everything's good up here. All right, cool. So we don't need this label anymore. So I'll just hide that for now. Shit. Sometimes these mornings are tough, man. That's not what I want. Where should I draw the dice? In the top left. um, I want it to be a texture rec, but we don't have. Whatever. We'll figure it out. Let me see if I made that. GUI. Texture button enhanced. It's basically I just want a texture rect that acts like a animated sprite. But I don't think we're gonna get that. dice. I'm gonna add that dice art. Yeah. So there's our dice. We're gonna make an atlas. And drag that in there. Width and height is gonna be the frame, right? Actually, 7, 7. Yeah. And we just move through by multiplying that by the movement left. And let me put that on the dice. Huh, maybe 8 by 8 is not what we wanted. I wasn't really thinking about that. But we can make it work. I think if we actually, we can center it and so layout. And then just kind of like bump it up a few spaces. Put an offset. No, just for the pivot, we don't need that. So the idea is that we're going to put it over the player. So as long as our player's centered, it should work. We move that. So now we need to get the dice. We should update this label as well. Yeah. So dice dot. I have to double check. I think I do it in here a little bit. Region dot size. Would be region dot position. Dice atlas. Dot x equals times two. Do that just to keep it consistent. Really, we don't need the texture. We just need the region. And I think up here we're going to, no. No, we do need the texture. we just have to get it once. And and we also want, so if we're checking that down here, we might as well just return it doesn't matter. Check it twice. So if I did it right, the dice should be above the player's head. It's drawing real weird. What is, it's in between frames? Let's see. Hey, take it easy, Tommy. It's region size X times available. Just for yeah, I don't get that. Oh, did I do this wrong? It's actually 8 by 8. That's why. We have to change this. Yeah. Maybe we do need to show that for now. 6, 4. We're rolling every. Okay, I had that. The indentation was wrong. There we go. Need to figure out. Let's see, does that just need to go up higher? Yeah. We're going to animate it. Which I could probably just do in here. Maybe we'll give it a script. So that should give us like, I forget exactly. Yeah, it's like 5 and 20, between 5 and 20, or 10 and 20. 10 and 25, sure. Rolls. 1. I'm gonna change the frame. We don't need that. And I think we're just going to place that. The available movement. So now we just need the texture. Frame. And we're going to set frame ran plus 1. That'd be 5 plus 1. So we don't want it to be 0 because that's the blank one. And that can't be a while, actually. Is that a lockup, right? So actually, it seems like they'll be handling the rolling now. So you're going to return. Pretty sure it's going to lock up. Oh, there's no delay. Oh. But it'll probably lock up the rest of the game. What's wrong? Create timer. is because it's in. Let's do this. And oh, it actually works. Looks like we're not getting 6. So the background, I was thinking about this, and I think we want to contrast the main color of the board. So if anyone knows a little bit about color theory, you would know. Not 0.5. A little bit of red. That just looks mean. Kind of liked it. Changed it. Just a little bit more red in there. Oh, that's kind of nice. Okay. We need it close to white. But let red be the dominant. Nah, it's a little bit too intense. So we roll the dice. And the main thing I have to change is getting player input from that menu. I think in DQ3 they put the dice up here, and the dice is probably like 4 times the size of the player. I think it makes sense to have it right here, because that way you don't have to move your eyes. So we made it to the end. Nowhere to go. so the main thing we want to do now is get that menu working. So we have it here. Oh, yeah. I'll hide the menu. So we take that out. We're not even using that either, so really just kind of out that whole thing. We go here, we check if sorry, my cough is really bad today. So, menu's not showing up because I did the wrong. Do option style. Nope. Let's see. What's the problemo? Disable focus. Idle focus exit. Okay, we're not getting that input. Unhandled input. Who could possibly be handling that? Oh, the player. There we go. We can just do. Oh, they can't do that. It'd be like. We have to call it on whoever has focus. Yeah, but we're not hiding that thing. So we have to do that manually, maybe. Beautiful. Relax. Relax, focus. That's looking pretty functional. Just, you don't want to automatically roll at the end. This could be a text box. I have to use that more. It's really helpful. I don't know why the GUI has its own text box. Oh, that's an old version. Okay, that's the problem. Keep it in order. Options, available movement, good. Hide you by default. I forget how I sent through the options. Is it just an array? Show options. I was just doing that. B. I think just I think this, we're just going to go right to battle. After that text box is done. Hide when finished. Looks good. So we're going to wait for player input there. I think that's what happened there. Yeah, we keep getting a battle roll. Okay, we're going. Let's do. So we're just making it 0 chance for now. Because I want to test the other options. 2, 3. What? If rand F is less than battle chance. How could it possibly be less than 0.0? Whatever. Rand F is less than battle. I don't get that. What? Oh no. Duh. Let's be greater. I'm clearly very, very expert. Sarcasm. Inspect area. I don't know if this works. It finds an item. See, it always turns yes. Alright, so we don't need this anymore. This can also be down here. Greater than. If we want to wait until the player's finished moving. Move attempted movements in actor. Move finished. So our loop is forming. We roll the dice. We wait till the player's on the tile. We get input. Maybe we have to do this as well. Sure. Finds an item. Good. Then go back, roll again. And so the next thing, oh hey, how's it going? Lurking, orangey colored. Oh, you liked it. Yeah, maybe I'll try it again. Light in the background. Yeah, that's actually, man, that's a great idea for the focus and transition up top to bottom row. Pressing up. I think it should work automatically because that is a menu, right? Sorry, I'm not checking chat too much today. I've just kind of been focusing. But yeah, so that automatically loads in because this is a menu. Just print the roll and print the battle chance. Make sure. Yeah. Yep. That's exactly what I did. So you knew what I was gonna do. You got it. Okay. So we have that. We next need our. I don't think we need this here anymore. So we're not handling the roll, but I'll keep it. Let's make that an export. Like 15. So every time we roll, we're going to take away a turn. Or maybe we just call it use turn. Nah, we don't need that. We can just manually do it. Let me do it here. No, we'll do it right when we roll. No, we do need to do it. Take this back. We don't want to go less than 0. Turns left equals 0. Out of turns. Update. We're going to make. This is actually going to change the turns left. So we don't need available movement anymore. I think this has to be a little bit wider to accommodate. Turns left, set available movement. I think now we can just do I think that works for the set get. No, it's not working. Set turns left. I'll just do oh. See, I thought this would call it automatically. What is ETL? Thanks. Yeah, I think that's a good look, and it you know, it keeps it contained. Right, it's really readable. Max I. Oh, apparently I don't have that. Oh, it's math. We need to. I want to look up set gets. Okay, maybe the no. I feel like that should work. Oh, okay. I might as well do set. We're almost subtracting turns left in the roll, right? Yeah, we'll just do it that way. Cool. So we roll, and when that roll is done, we lose a turn. We can roll again. Also, I want to try what you had suggested. Yeah, it does need to be a little bit, because it just it makes the board feel like it's closer to the screen, to the camera. Maybe even go a little bit more. 160. So yeah, I think that was a really good idea. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. So we have to roll. I'll need sound effects for sure. We can also make our battle rate higher. I think probably 50-50. So it's less so. Wait. Spect area. I don't think that's right. So we roll again if we roll again if that roll is greater than 75. Mm. Else we just go to roll. That's weird. We didn't get anything that time. Oh, because we're getting battles. Whoops. So I need to block. We need to disable roll dice when we have available movement. If it's not visible, I can set that greater than 0. Oops. And we re-enable it. Actually, that's wrong. We have to do it when we roll. Or maybe we just make a state. We can disable that. Back input after the roll is finished. And this we will only want to enable after the turn is over. Yeah. Roll dice. Let's see. We roll the dice, and we can't get the menu. Good. So now I can get the menu, but roll dice is disabled. Perfect. We can move, have an action, and then roll dice is available again. So next we want view map, which we basically just give control to the camera. View stats is going to be easy, I think, because we just have to add an instance of our status window. That's why we make these things reusable. So we'll put that in here. It's going to be an H box now. Pretty much how we've done all of these. That goes to, it's going to be your primary. Well, it's going to look like that. So we click on that, we do. Yeah. I might change that. Into options, focused. Grab this. On any of those, we hide it. Otherwise, we show it. We just have to declare that. It's going to be below options. What is that? Status window. Is it a class? No. I'll replace that one. I was going to call it window, but it's all right. Oh, I have to update options now. Just need this. Do I have to call load data? Probably. Supply player. Yeah. Player data. Oh, we need to hide that by default. Could put that in here, the turns left. I don't think we want to draw it like that, that's for sure. Hero, that's good. Cool. I want to animate the menus at some point. Laggy. So laggy. Okay. Grass. Let's look at our mountains. Like, what if... Actually, we're going to want this guy to not have a background. Oops. And kind of like do this kind of deal. So we just kind of layer them. Oh, just a little bit too far out for me. Yeah. And we gotta clean this up. Really, I don't think that's the way we want to do it. New plan. Gonna kind of make like the blob of it, and then just add the shapes in. What was that color though? Was it this? Okay, so we kind of like, we'll try and keep it consistent. Right. Maybe add highlights. This kind of looks like crap, like literal crap right now. Now, this pixel perfect brush is kind of throwing me off. Maybe I'm used to it though. No, I guess it kind of does read like mountains when you look at it in the small preview. Yeah, maybe there's like some of these. Some smaller bits. Yeah. Not too much. Yeah, yellow doesn't really work. So we have an orange base. What if we added in like some blue to the shadows? Nah, I think that's fine for now. Just want to see what this looks like before I do the forest. Stop running that. Hold on. Cats, what are you doing? That's bad, baby. Bad. Bad, bad, bad. All right. The cheesy. Away and away. I think while I'm here, I'm just gonna make these. That's where the forest will be. And then we'll make this the, oh, messed up. The new tile, then we do forest. And chest. Yeah, looks good. Why is that grass too? Okay. So Yeah, we can fine tune that art later. It looks alright. It's gonna be forest. Oops. Away and away. I do the chest first. Needs to be. Yeah. Change up the brown. I'm gonna try some dithering. Oops. I don't normally use dithering. Let's see if we can get this working. Something like that. It's a little too uniform for me. I want to like, yeah, we can break it up a bit. Not too perfect. Yeah, I don't like it. Okay. It's kind of like, yeah, that's more my speed. Same with the highlight. Oops. So that needs to be that. We need to do like that for the side. Yeah. Just thinking kind of like confetti. Ooh, I kind of want to do a particle effect on this tile. That'll be fun. Some red. Ah. I'll get some of these. Nah, not too dark. Just kind of like hint at some wood grain. Trying to create some shadow. Take that out. Don't want too much. Might be at too much right now. Let's see. Got that. The cat got into my my child's toothbrush, so we can't have that going. So let's see the buttons in the menu. Trying to find where I need to catch up. Extraction. Loading them into my personal. Oh, okay. Is that for your work? The database stuff that you're doing? Movement is variable. Check menu for variable. Yeah, so about the movement variable, I try if I think like you were talking about a state whether we could move or not, right? I try to avoid making additional variables when I can use existing ones. Like for movement, we just have to check, right, if we have any available movement. We don't need a separate state, if that's kind of what you're getting at. Yeah, I'm doing a tree tile. Yeah, definitely. Just like they do in the original game. So forests and mountains will have higher chance for enemies. And so that'll look something like just call this battle chance for now. Oops. It'd be like plus if We have grass and mountain, so let's get that set up. So we can probably do something like put this at the top, and then we can change it. Like it'll be like battle chance plus equals maybe 15. That was a little high to start. We'll do like plus 25. Right. No, 35. That'd be a 75% chance, and so 65 and 75. Maybe a little bit less on the forest. No. So we have 65, 75. So we don't do anything there. Grass. I think for now it's going to be like battle chance equals 0. And then we just put this outside of the match. We'll add additional checks later. But this way it works for all of these. I think I want to do like if battle chance dot is 0 counts. Let's do this. Do another one of these. This will be like that. We'll handle that functionality. We probably roll the report here. Let's see. Maybe in the forest you get 2 knights. In the mountains, you get the hardest fight I have right now, I think. And later on we'll roll for different ones. Otherwise, it's just that. And we would just swap. We would comment that out and just do that. And finds enemies. Do that. Finish the forest. That's kind of where I was with the forest. We might just grab these colors. Just gonna use this as oops, forgot one thing. I want it to be a little asymmetrical, I think. That's all right for now. These. I know we're gonna have things like +1 roll plus, you know, minus spaces. Oops. Get rid of that. Oh man. Let me get some music going. Let's see. Oh geez. That's a bad typo there. Cruise slime. Yeah, totally. I think that's a fun idea. That's something I think a lot of people would like. I know I would like that. Even if it's just like maybe maybe they're a pet. They don't necessarily fight, or maybe it's like Earthbound. If you've ever played that, where you have the dog, or you have certain temporary party members where they'll like occasionally act in battle, but usually they just kind of do nothing. Where like the dog, for example, will just like bark, right? And it doesn't do anything. But sometimes you'll get lucky and they attack. Yeah, I think that's a really, really fun idea. We're going to put recruiting monsters as companions / pets, party members as Good idea. Yeah, the trees, yeah, I think those trees work all right. We gotta, I mean, it's not, I'm not going for, like, I don't expect any of this art to be final. I'm just trying to, like, get it to a point where it's readable enough, and then it doesn't look like total shit. Look at me trying to keep the, not the cursing down. So plus, what would that be like? Let's do like negative. It's gonna be red because it's bad. And oops. Just kind of sketching this out first. Clean up this text. Actually, I think I want to put this on the detail layer. That way I can delete that on there. And on the detail, I want to remove that. We go back to base. It's just going to be easier to have like a foreground and a background. I'm going to go back to detail. All right. I mean, I could just use a font in game. I think it'll be fun to draw these. Although, I think this number one, we do want it to be drawn in game, because depending on the board, we might want a different value for it. So I'm just gonna hide. Oops. I think what I'll do is just copy this, throw it at this extra layer, and then delete it off of here. So maybe this is like really bad. It's like orange and like black. Whatever. So that's a bad tile. Good tile might be like blue. So it'll be moved backwards. This is moved forwards. Just kind of. That works for now. We need mystery, which they do purple, and I'm cool with that. So purple, what would be a good? I think it has to be pink. So this one I will try to hand draw. So it's going to kind of be like, oops, question mark. That looks kind of asshole-ish right now. Might want to try some dithering here, though. That's a little bit too much. Don't like all that. Well, let's fill it in first. So maybe just do it like this. Try to create some shadow. Nah. Use, there's like a, this shadow has a little bit of blue in it. We can use that. That's pretty dark. Maybe the tile has to be pink. And then the, yeah. Let me hide the base so I can see all this. No, going back. Maybe it's just pink and then we do like white highlights. Oops. Oh, crap. Just need that. Not the whole layer. Clean this up a bit. That's a little too straight. Oops. So I think the main things that I'm missing, they have a jar. The jar tile, excuse me. There's a jar tile, dresser, enemy tile. Let's just roll with this for now. Um, So we don't have any functionality for that one. Not yet. Why don't I do that? That should be pretty easy. I think we can just use that. There. Set. Excuse me. Override, else. Either way, we're going to omit that. So we can do this. We're just gonna, let me think. Set terms. Gonna move change this to I think actually no, we don't want that there. We don't want to roll. Oh no, we do. Yeah, that should be good. Only thing I need to set is move forward per tile. So basically that would be a dictionary where I manually set what can happen. So for that, sort cell. For that, I probably just want to make a new script for each board. Maybe we'll just handle it in a resource. I think that's what we'll do. Probably put in here. Cheesy board data. Go to script. Or no. So we have that. We're gonna do that can stay in there. Each map will have that. Four, 2, and 4, 3. It's going to be 3. Two, 3. Do 4 and 2. So in other words, if we land on that, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Forces the forest. If we land on the red, we're going to go back 2. So we 1, 2. Forces the mountain. So it's like a punishment. And for now, we're just going to have the one board. We'll change that up later. And I'll have to change this later, but it's good for now. Okay, so we're gonna have to do Cell data. Cell. But it's going to be minus. Let's see if we can get some of these to work. Rolled a 6. Was that 5? No dice. Let's see. It's supposed to be mountains. Mountains, forest. Need to exit out of here on that. This one we need to update current cell. This is going to need work. I don't feel like messing with it right now. So battle won't work because we're not connected right now. So I think for now, do a reload. Nice. I feel like, don't you come in here and ask, like this person comes in and asks that every time. So maybe a bot? I don't know. Baby, no. Baby. Good, we get to test it. No, it's skipping it. Is it a typo? I think we need to update the tile name too. We play that. It's not letting me move. Roll dice, we do. Wait, it's called roll dice. I don't know why we're getting that. Can we close out? We need to hide that too. I think just for testing, I want to do that. We get a 6. Yeah, that was the problem. Okay, sounds good. Keep that 6 for now. Okay, cool. So that's good. I think, yeah. Good luck. So now it should turn to a 4. And it works as planned. So we just have to figure out how we're going to handle battles. And we have to finish up some of this functionality, but we really have a lot in there. I might actually do, to test that red tile, override to 5. Oh, no, that's wrong. What we'll do, let's see, we're going to do one right there. So it's going to be at 2, 0. We got a cheesy boards. Oops. 0. And so it's going to be 1. I'm going to push the player back 1 space. And then what we can do is just override to 2. Is apps what I want? Yeah. N is greater than 1. Player position. I don't know if we need target cell. It's just going to be S equals movement. Oh no, that's wrong. We do need that. So it doesn't work. Get that, but it's not printing anything for movement. That's weird. Oh, absolutely. So print previous moves. And let's try that. That's right. The movement needs to be, or it's a minus equals movement. Print minus movement. So these are all going to be minus movement. Let's just do that. It's going to be the inverse of that. So we got to see why that's not working. I think once I get this done, I'll log off. Okay, that's the problem. Hey! It works. Flare. Set position target. Was that an actor? We also want to do where do we set facing? I take that back. Do didn't we send it through? No. Let's just do it anyway. Oh, they don't have that. They don't need it. All right, so we want, yeah, he turns around. Good. All right, cool. I think that's good for right now. We will continue on this later.